This Energy Star qualified Maytag Ice2O refrigerator opens the door to maximum efficiency and organization. Featuring the easy access refrigerator drawer for flexible storage options, it can hold up to 5 bags of groceries and provides adjustable dividers for your convenience. The easy access drawer saves energy by keeping 80% of the refrigerator closed when accessing frequently used items. Not only that, the clear refrigerator floor lets you see the drawer's contents even when it's closed. The Ice2O's interactive LCD touchscreen puts nutritional information at your fingertips, and its flush ice and water dispenser accommodates large decanters and more. It can even be programmed to dispense just the amount of water you choose, and it blends beautifully with the contoured French door styling. Cool, efficient white LED ramp-up lighting reveals a convenient array of spill-catcher glass shelves and flexible indoor bins, providing a variety of storage options. Beneath the easy access drawer is a spacious pull-out freezer drawer featuring a slide-out bin and a smooth closed track system. You can count on the space and strength of Maytag refrigerators to keep you well stocked, because leftovers can never be left out.